Formoa 063 is a hybrid polymer-based sealant that can seal and bond a variety of substrates such as plastic, GRP and most metals. It is a multi-purpose sealant that can come in either 290ml cartridges, 600ml foil packs or bulk options. Formoa 063 has a skin over time of 16 minutes and is bondable for a maximum period of 30 minutes after application. It has good strength, high flexibility, ICEGA food safety approval, primerless, high grab, excellent stay white properties, colour matching capabilities, and it has no health risks. Formoa 063 isn't a structural adhesive. The increased viscosity can be difficult to work with, and it isn't formulated to help prevent environmental stress cracking. Is Formoa 063 a good sealant for you? If you're looking for a sealant that can bond and seal and doesn't require much surface preparation, then Formoa 063 would be a great option for you. If you want a stronger adhesive or a sealant that is easier to use, you may want to look at alternative options within our Formoa range. And if you want more information about Formoa 063, you should go ahead and download the datasheet.